one 15-mile drive. All those bugs. Because I detailed the car yesterday, so this thing is beautiful. You guys can see the exhaust started to change colors, so it's really nice. Kind of looks techno-violet. And you can see the MagnaFlow resonators. Like, this is a really nice exhaust. Damn. I can't wait to get my 4-pipe mod muffler put on. It's gonna sound, wow, I can't wait. All right, so the KWs are on. I didn't really lower it. You can probably see it in there, yep. Boom. So I'm not gonna lower it. Well, the rear is lower because it naturally lowers in the rear, but the front I'm gonna lower it later on just a little bit when I do the what do you call it? When I put on the front lip and the side skirts, because I need to see how low the car is gonna be, and then you'll get to see how low it'll go. Let's see, is it front left? Yeah. Yeah, so you can see it there. Looks nice. I always like the color of the KW springs, like the yellow and purple. Alright, so right now we're about to test out the struts as they are. So right now I'm on the lowest dampening setting, so this is comfort. And I could already, from going over these bumps and stuff, I could feel like it's a little bit more solid. So let's see. Getting a little bit of spirited driving in. Yeah, so right now I'm going to test all 3 dampening modes. So right now, as I said, I'm on comfort. Oh, wow. This thing feels so planted. And this is literally on comfort, so it already means. Yeah, oh, wow. That's really crazy. So that means when I go up in the dampening, it's gonna feel a lot more sporty. Why are these people not driving? All right. There's not really too many good driving roads around here because I'm like in a city type of area. So I'm just gonna have to bust a nice legal U. I'll just turn up here. Yeah, this feels... Oh, shit. Hold on. Skyline. And it's a sedan, and it does not look bad. I thought that was actually one of my boys, but his car has a livery on it. But yeah, that thing's actually really nice for... I'm not a sedan guy, but that looks good. But yeah, let's go to more testing. Alright. Takes bumps really good and comfort. So the ride quality does not feel compromised at all. Like, it's a stiffer ride, but it's not stiffer. Like, usually when you think of a stiffer ride, you think of like creaky, and like you can hear like all the bumps, and like you hear like all the car like doom doom doom, like when it's hitting bumps and stuff like that. But it's just more firm, but it's not like rough, because it still feels like I'm on the stock springs comfort wise. like driving it like taking a turn and feeling how planted it is, you can definitely feel the difference. Oh, god damn. I forgot how. Oh, you can't really. I forgot how. What do you call it? How responsive this car is. My migraines are rotting my brain and my English is terrible, so I apologize. But yeah, I forgot how responsive this car is. Like you tap the throttle and the car will. It feels like the car is just ready to move. But yeah, this car feels so planted. Like now, I feel a lot more confidence while driving, which is not good because I was already driving this car really hard, but now I feel like I can drive it a whole lot harder. Like, my god, wow, this thing wow, damn. All right, and let's go into the stiffest dampening. Oh wow, that feels good. Holy shit. Oh yeah. Yeah, like I'm going over all these bumps and stuff, and it feels great. Oh my god. This is literally why I kept the EDC, because it does not, like, this, oh wow, this feels amazing. Like, you guys can probably see, like, I'm going over bumps and it's just soaking them up as if it's on stock springs, but the car is lower, so it feels a lot more of like an aggressive, sporty ride. So yeah, these are definitely worth it because they're also adjustable. So I'm going to be lowering the front most likely a ½ inch, and then you can feel the car, like, it wants to accelerate faster because it's more planted. Like before, if I'm gonna do a 1 to the first, a second, and usually it chirps the tires. So yeah. Oh my god, it never hooks. And oh wow, yeah, as you guys can see, the car hooked hard. Wow. Yeah, this thing feels amazing. I did not think that this thing could get any better than it is, but it is. Oh my god, this feels amazing. And that's the thing, the alignment is not dialed in yet, so it's gonna feel even better. But yeah, this is great. Jesus, this feels amazing. Oh wow, I'm in love with this car even more. Fucking hell. Oh, dude. Ooh. Yeah. Jesus, this car feels wonderful now. I'll show you these two cars I just pulled up. Yeah, and I just went over some more bumps in the car again. Just took it like, yeah, this is perfect. So that was a quick little drive. Love it. You guys will get more footage of this. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and you guys will get a lot more of my opinion on these struts, because this thing is amazing. So catch you guys in the next one. You already know, drink water, motherfuckers, because that's what I'm about to do.